Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to ReadPK. And as you know, we are learning sentences for speaking Arabic in daily basis. So let's start for today's lecture. Not a lecture, just for practicing some words, and that will make us to speak Arabic in a better way. So let me share my screen. Our first sentence is about I would like to go Iran, or I would like to visit Iraq one day, or I would like to visit any country, Paris one day, New York, London, or any India, wherever you are living. So for that we say Arghab. For visiting any place, any country, Arghab. I would like to. Arghab. Biziyaratan, visit. Biziyara. Arghab is like for I would like to. I would like. I would like to. I want to do this thing. So Arghab. Arghab. I would like to. Biziyarat, visit. Al-Iraq, Iraq, or any country you want to say. So it's a simple one. So what we say, Arghabu biziyarati Iraq. Okay. Next sentence is say hi to John for me. You want to say some words for another person, so you say just say hi to John. So how would we like to say it? Sallama. Sallama is a salutation for any person. So Sallama ala whom? John or Kennedy, whatever. Men ajli, men ajli, from my from me, for me. Men ajli. Sallama ala John min ajli. Sallama ala John min ajli. Our last sentence for today is bless you. So bless you when someone sneezing. So what will we say normally? Rahmakullah. In Muslim word we say it's a greeting for this person to be the God, make him healthy, make him save him from any disease. So we pray for it right after when anyone having a problem and even having some disease or some difficulty, we pray from God because God is created and everything. So he has a cure for that. So we pray for God, and Islam we say Allah. So rahmakullah, may Allah be pity on him, please make save him, please. Only the God can save anybody from any condition. He can make uh, um, he can make any condition in right or a wrong way, not a person, because he created the events, the person. So it's being a long, it's not being a long sentence, only a bless you. So rahmatullah. So thanks for watching ReadPK. Please like and subscribe. So let's practice in our daily basis.